The Toronto Maple Leafs pick up a 3-2 win in tonight's game over the Carolina Hurricanes and improve to 39, 17, and 5 on the season, while the Hurricanes fall to 41, 14, and 5 on the year. In this game, the Maple Leafs got their goals from Ilya Mikheyev, Mitch Marner, and the game-winning goal for Ondrej Kase, while the Hurricanes got their goals from Ethan Bear and Vincent Trocheck. In this game, the Maple Leafs went 0 for 1 on the power play, while the Hurricanes went 0 for 3. Frederik Andersen stopped 18 to 21 shots in the loss, while Erik Källgren turned away 34 of 36 shots for the win. Up next for the Hurricanes, they'll be back at it tomorrow night against the Washington Capitals at home. As for the Toronto Maple Leafs, they'll be headed to Nashville for a game against the Predators on Saturday night.